I got a package. I've got a package. I'm so excited to get this package from Cross Stitch VIP. They were kind enough to contact me to send me some products, and I got to pick out whatever I wanted. So guess what I picked out? Yarn. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what kind of yarn I have inside. I can't wait to see what's inside, and I can't wait to see the yarn. Look at this bag full of yarn. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Look at, it's raining yarn. So in all, I got 10 little cakes of this yarn, and I got some milk cotton, which is acrylic yarn, and it is 100% soft acrylic. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package so you can see what it looks like. Oh, this is really pretty. Really pretty, really soft, nice variegated yarn. Now I got that in this beautiful pink color, pretty variegated pink. And this one is like a yellow, white, and purple with pink. Isn't that pretty? And then we've got this colorway. And then we have this pretty like variegated yellow. It's not as bright as it looks in the light. I thought that was gorgeous. If you are interested in any of the yarns that I'm showing today, Cross Stitch VIP is giving out a code for 10% off. All you have to do is put the code CROJO10 in the code box when you check out, and you will save 10%. So this milk cotton is pretty thin. I would say this is probably like a 2. It's pretty thin. It's really pretty and it's really soft. These milk cotton skeins are $2.79 a piece. And then the next thing I got were these pretty cotton skeins. This is a pretty light pink. This one is called the 50-gram roll 6-strand cotton thin yarn for crochet. And I got this pretty light pink. I got a nice turquoise. And then I also got a hot pink fuchsia color. Now these are really soft. And I would say these are probably like a, maybe like a light 3, I would say. It's very, very soft. And I think this would work up nicely. And this is 6 strands all wound together. And these are $2.79 a piece. And then I also have 3 of these beautiful soft baby cotton yarn skeins. Now, none of these have the size or weight on the label, but this is a really nice thin 6-strand yarn, and I would say it's probably a 2 weight, and it's really, really, really soft. So I have this pretty rose color, and then I got a white, and then I also got this really pretty periwinkle color. And altogether I got 10 skeins. Now these are really pretty, and I can't wait to see what I'm going to make with them. I will go ahead and link them down below in the description box. And don't forget about that 10% off code that you can get from VIP Cross Stitch. And thank you so much, VIP Cross Stitch, for sending me these yarns for review. And make sure you check out this video right here.